In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Drive files available offline. This feature is incredibly useful when you don't have internet access but still need to view or edit your important documents. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or simply in an area with poor connectivity, this simple trick ensures your files are always within reach. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're on your Drive homepage, you'll see all your stored files and folders. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your Drive preferences. Before you can access your files offline, there's a quick setup step. In the Settings window, find the section labeled Offline. You'll see an option that says Create, Open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files offline. Check this box to enable offline mode. Once you do this, Google Drive will start syncing certain files to your device so you can use them even without an internet connection. Now that offline mode is enabled, let's make specific files available offline. Go back to your main Google Drive view and find the document you want to use offline. It could be a Google Doc, Sheet, or Slide. Right-click on the file and from the menu that appears, select Make Available Offline. This step downloads the file to your device, ensuring that you can open and edit it anytime, even without Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's important to remember that each file must be made available offline individually. So if you need several documents accessible, you'll need to repeat this step for each one. Once a file is set to offline, you'll notice a small icon next to it indicating that it's stored locally on your device. When you lose internet connection, simply open Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, or Slides as usual. The files marked for offline access will still open normally, and any edits you make will automatically sync back to the cloud once you reconnect. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make your Google Drive files available offline. This method ensures that you can always work on your projects, review notes, or prepare reports, anytime and anywhere. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to occasionally refresh your offline files if you've made major updates or added new ones you want to access later. That way, your offline content always stays up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next Google tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.